Hi everyone! Welcome back to the Frugal Watchbox channel for another watch unboxing. Today, we'll be unveiling the silver version of the Skmei 1123, a homage to the iconic Casio A158W. This watch arrived from Shenzhen, China in a simple package, which is expected for a $9 watch. We've previously unveiled the gold version, and you can check out that video on our channel. The package had minimal bubble wrap, but thankfully the watches are in good condition. This silver version of the Skmei 1123 looks promising at first glance. First, let's check the documentation. It includes a simple one-page operation manual detailing features, operation procedures, real-time settings, alarms, and chronograph settings. The other side of the manual is in Chinese. Now let's return to the watch. The watch tag, as usual, is not attached, which is a good thing. The watch itself is undeniably a beauty. Let's remove the protective sticker from the case back. The case appears to be an alloy and silver-plated, and it feels heavier than the Casio A158W. The case size is approximately 33 millimeters. With a lug-to-lug distance of about 36 millimeters. A thickness of 9 millimeters, and a lug width of about 18 millimeters. The watch weighs 57 grams. The silver-plated zinc alloy case is about 11 grams heavier than the Casio A158W, which is a plus for the Skmei. On the right side, there's a single button to control the alarm and switch between 12 and 24-hour formats. On the left side, there are two buttons for light and mode. The prominent Skmei logo is on the top, and the water 30-meter resist imprint is on the bottom. Let's set the time and alarms to display more information on the screen. On the top right of the screen, you'll see the date followed by the day and small indicators for alarms. Below are larger digits for hours, minutes, and seconds. The bracelet is stainless steel, crudely made but acceptable for the price point. It has a stainless steel inscription and folded links that are a bit sharp on the edges. The bracelet quality isn't on par with the Casio bracelet, but it's decent for a $9 watch. There's no Skmei logo on the clasp either. The stainless steel caseback has all the necessary imprints, including the Skmei logo, model number 1123, water resistance rating of 3 ATM, and battery code. The Skmei 1123 features a chronograph, alarms, 12 or 24-hour format, electroluminescent backlight, and date and month display. Next, we'll show the same model in a different color, the Skmei 1123 Vogue Gold, which we featured in a previous video. This helps you decide which color you prefer. The watch looks nice on the wrist, even on smaller wrists. We'll do a side-by-side comparison with the original Casio A158W. They have identical modules, except the Skmei has a bluish screen. The price difference is significant, with the A158W at $19 and the Skmei 1123 at $9. Let's try the silver Skmei 1123 on my 6.5-inch wrist. Fits well, similar to the gold version. Now, let's compare the EL backlight with the A158W. The EL backlight on the Skmei is clearer, lighting the whole display panel, whereas the A158W's green light illuminates mainly the left side of the panel. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. If you found this video useful, please subscribe and hit that like button. Bye for now.